Hello traders, market open with software for NinjaTrader 8 on Dow. We discussed with students pre-market that this is the critical key buy point. This is simplicity in front of you now. In the course you learned that this is crucial key target, as you saw how instantly price collapsed from this level at the open. What does the intelligent trader understands? We're dealing with institutional buy point. Massive numbers of alerts on Dow at the market open. That's it. Intelligent trader uses and very well prepared. After all, it's a bold green zone. This is the only intelligent option on Dow. There is nothing else. This remains brick wall to the upside. This will be ultimate war zone. But when you're trading charts as a retail trader, precision is key. This is crucial key part, and you're extremely well prepared, obeying the rules. That's it. On S&P mini future, market sold off before market open. On S&P mini future, market drastically slower. On this chart, there is absolutely no software. This is the critical key chart. This is your Alpha Fibonacci chart. This is how you prepare every single day for your trade. This is where institutions been buying the market on Dow with vengeance. Despite bearish major news, Dow skyrocketing 40 points plus, reminding you, do not short into this level, monitor for long. But the current event on Dow is a stunning reminder of all we discussed in class, and stunning reminder of importance of obeying the rules. And we will discuss all of this in the next class. So that's where ultimate precision in retail trading is critical. Market open reminds you, do not speculate, do not gamble with your money, understand where to enter and exit your trade. And as we discussed with students, we expected this. Understanding why all of this playing out and obeying Alpha Fibonacci Precision is a critical key part of successful Alpha Fibonacci day trading. In the course, you learn the importance of these levels and the importance of entering and exiting your trade with rules. Here's S&P picking up the steam traders. As again, we're absolutely well aware where it's coming from. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for days. This is not little retail buy point. This is institutional buy point. And when the scanner giving you multiple alerts, it means power. So here we are with the software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. Trades playing out on multiple charts. I choose to project software on 1 minute chart. Intelligent trader understands the importance of this level. That's it. Critical key event. This will be war zone. Expect powerful pullback. Intelligent trader taking profits off the table and moving the stop outside of break even only if trader trades multiple lots. Single and double lot are out completely. Key event in front of you now. Reminds you to obey the rules. Right now, this is very important level to the downside, and if price collapses completely, Alpha Fibonacci trader will not be surprised. RZ means reversal zone. Every tick in day trading matters. If price is not crashing through this level, it will crawl up higher. And that's ultimate precision. And that stunning reminder, we expected this well before market open. So when you're utilizing software for NinjaTrader 8, it's a phenomenal tool that's giving you precise entry, stop and target to trade. With multi-market scanner, when you're seeing multiple alerts, it means institutional power. You're choosing your trade with drastically more confidence. And again, what you witnessed on Dow playing out on S&P. Flawless and stunning reminder. Speculating, gambling, chasing the markets will never work. Ultimate precision does. And when legend Theo stopping by from the middle of the night in Australia, it's a gift. I hope Theo will be joining us in bootcamp, where he would be sharing his phenomenal journey to success with Alpha Fibonacci system, with software for NinjaTrader 8 and without. Theo shares that he's trading S&P, Nasdaq, oil, and some Forex. So you're on NinjaTrader 8 and MT4, MT5? Incredible. Fantastic. So as you're witnessing, this is precision Theo is trading. So if you have not received email with Theo's podcast, you can view it on our YouTube channel. So is everyone clear on precision and the importance of obeying the rules? So 3 points on S&P. $150 single lot. You are profitable for a month. You adding lot size. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. 10 lots on 3 points on S&P, $1,500. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots. You're operating with ultimate sniper's precision. You know where to enter. You know where to exit your trade with ultimate confidence and consistency in trading on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. If Theo can do it, so can you. You can trade Forex on MT4, MT5. Software is not requirement, as we will review next. And futures on NinjaTrader, absolutely. As playing out in front of you to the tick with software for NinjaTrader 8. We have a couple of major news in 5 minutes. We have PMI and ISM PMI. Next. So on our homepage, you can listen to podcast with Theo, legend, who is visiting us this morning. So if you're fortunate enough to grab the last 6 spaces in our historical US trading bootcamp, every single day, you will be mastering Alpha Fibonacci system and trading to the tick. Because volatility will be extreme, trading opportunities exponential. I would never, ever encourage you to trade live. I would encourage you to practice, learn. And during this historical event, the opportunities to learn will be exponential. Once you learn, you can expand to live account, as Theo has done. So the value 2777 including for new students with savings up to 10,000 in group and private mentoring packages. Private mentoring almost overbooked. I have only 1 spot left. Day traders, position traders, option traders, stocks, commodities, futures, forex, crypto traders will be joining in bootcamp. Most of the students will be viewing it as recording. For graduates of the course, special rate available for the bootcamp. If you are joining us as a new student, simply choose from 4 options on website. After listening to our students' podcast, viewing our students' performance, and reading our students' reviews, simply choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option, savings 10,000 plus. Group course, the most popular option, savings almost $8,000. Every single option includes lifetime system for all platforms that you can trade on stocks, on forex, on crypto, ETFs, mutual funds, commodities. You can trade with options. Choice absolutely yours, what you will choose to trade. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So as S&P continues dancing in this extremely precise chess, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader prepared very well for major news next. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call or send an email. Click in the upper left corner, contact us, and let us know questions you may have. Let's take a break. Today I'm teaching institutional class. Stock traders in the course, crypto traders, mutual fund, option traders in the course, doctors, professional athletes, business owners in the course. It's never a requirement to come to live classes. Over 300 videos of live recorded classes available to you. 14-year anniversary movie coming soon, as made by our incredible student who shares his journey on website. Ken and I met in London a couple of times. So thank you traders so much. Let's exhale before major news. Hope you're joining us.